Extendable cleaning brushes are the perfect tool for tackling hard-to-reach areas in the home. There are many products available to choose extendable cleaning brushes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best extendable cleaning brushes from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Lfy Shower Cleaning Brush. The Lfy Shower Cleaning Brush has a head-locking mechanism that can be locked between 0 to 180 degrees to avoid flopping around while cleaning. The 3-in-1 detachable brush sponge microfiber head includes a stiff bristle brush for cleaning stubborn dirt, a scouring pad for smooth surfaces, and a microfiber cloth. The 46-foot adjustment long handle allows you to clean from the floor of the tub to the ceiling height without bending, stretching, kneeling, or crouching. The triangular head pivot fits into corners, recesses, and grout lines, great for easier cleaning bathtubs, tiles, walls, sinks, and even floors. The extendable pole is made of sturdy iron with a lightweight non-slip handle that is easy to hold even when wet. Number 2. Casabella Extendable All-Purpose Bathroom Tub. The Casabella Extendable Bathroom Scrubber Brush, also known as the Casabella Scrubber Brush, is a versatile cleaning tool that makes tackling hard-to-reach places in the bathroom a breeze. With its rounded head, this brush is designed to effortlessly clean areas like the bathtub, shower, and behind sinks and toilets. The durable bristles can scrub floors, tile, grout, drains, and more, making it a handy tool for deep cleaning. The extendable pole can be adjusted up to 40.8 inch long, allowing you to easily reach into corners and tight spaces. Not only can this brush be used in the bathroom, but it is also suitable for use in the kitchen, laundry room, entryway, or any room that requires a thorough cleaning. When not in use, the brush can be conveniently stored using the hanging loop on the end of the handle. Number 3. Shower Scrubber 3-in-1 Extendable Long Handle 58-inch Cleaning Brush. The Moku Home Shower Scrubber is a versatile cleaning brush that will make your cleaning experience stress-free. With its long telescopic handle, you can easily extend your reach from 47.5 to 58 inches, saving your back and knees from bending, stretching, kneeling, or crouching. This 3-in-1 bathtub scrubber comes with 3 different, reusable heads that are non-scratch, allowing you to clean any surface with confidence. The unique pointed shape and pivot design of the head enable 180-degree rotation, making it effortless to access corners, recesses, and hard-to-reach places. Made of high-quality steel with secure, threaded joints, this sturdy and reliable brush is built to last. The handle is ergonomically designed with a soft, padded, and non-slip grip, reducing hand fatigue during cleaning. Make cleaning a breeze today with a Moku Home Shower Scrubber. Number 4. Shower Cleaning Brush with Long Handle. Introducing the Moku Shower Cleaning Brush, a versatile and convenient tool for all your cleaning needs. This 3-in-1 scrubber features an adjustable head pivot, allowing you to clean at different angles and reach neglected corners with ease. The extra-long handle extends up to 50.4 inch, eliminating the need for bending or squatting while cleaning. With 3 different high-quality brush heads, bristle, sponge, and microfiber, you can tackle stubborn dirt, absorb stains, and clean delicate surfaces effortlessly. The brush heads are also removable and can be used as handheld grout brushes or fitted with extension poles. The Moku brush is perfect for cleaning bathrooms, tubs, tiles, glass, walls, ceilings, and hard-to-reach areas. Say goodbye to the hassle of multiple cleaning tools and make your cleaning routine more efficient with the Moku Shower Cleaning Brush. Number 5. Lfy Bathroom Scrubber. Lfy Shower Brush Scrubber is a 2-in-1 cleaning brush that comes with an extendable handle, making it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas like the ceiling and floor of the tub without bending or squatting. The triangular swivel head allows for flexibility in all directions and is perfect for cleaning corners and grooves. This brush saves you time by allowing you to clean your entire bathroom, including tub, shower walls, and floor surfaces. Additionally, You can twist off the extra handles and use it as a handheld brush to clean toilets, sinks, and faucets. Assembling the brush is easy, with a 3-piece pole twisting securely into place. The scouring pad and stiff bristle brush heads are interchangeable and easy to change. Simply slide and snap them in place. Lfy Cleaning Brush Supplies offers cost-effective household cleaning products and provides excellent customer service.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.